My bros.
Bald spot, right?
Again? There is really something wrong with my hair, so let's meet someone new. I'm John. Darny, my man, how are you doing?
I can't, the bald spot, it's too big, man.
It's fine.
What happened to your gangsta jacket?
There's nothing wrong with my... It won't work! Yeah.
What happened to your gangsta jacket, man?
It was too big. Now I like feeling small. What do you think of that?
I'm a gangsta now.
No! Okay, guys, don't think I'm gay because I have a pink shirt on. Tough men wear pink.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Tough men wear...
Earrings, man.
Danny has his ears pierced. Whoa! Loser! I don't see anything.
You have an earring hole.
I don't see anything. Will you stop pulling on my ear?
Which has earring holes, man.
Shut up!
Mm-hmm. I'm looking pretty hot today.
So,
I think my hair is the only one that doesn't have balls.
we're back in Clara's bathroom.
Hey, Stanley, I think I'm taller than you.
This dude
Is
Whoa! Look at that nice hair.
You can tell
What are you doing?
bald spot swag.
Bald spot swag, man.
Yeah. I'm looking pretty hot today. Ooh.
Earring! Whoa!
Oh. Whoa. What up with the earring hole?
Will you stop pulling on my ear? Gosh.
Bald spot.
Ow!
Oh, Daddy?
End the video.
Uh-oh. It's on! Daddy's ticklish! Ow!
Hey now.
Hey now. Oh.
Hey now. Hey now. Hey now.
Is that a bun?
Is that a bun?
Is that a bun? Danny's both genders.